Horologic Solum is a 4 HP master clock from Noise Engineering. A knob allows for smooth speed control. Range switching allows for 3 different speed modes, doubling the speed at each increment. You can run an external clock in, or you can CV control the internal clock. There is a reset input and a reset button. The divide mode sets Horologic Solum to divide by powers of 4, odd numbers, or powers of 2. Horologic Order is a 4 HP expander that adds 7 fixed divisor clockouts. Look for the Horologic Solum and expansion in stores in the first quarter of 2017.